Ka tnat District Council Affairs jong sarkar jela lembat ki Autonomous District Council kila yatai habai David ka shna ïing halor ka man penruker tengi ki jaka puta kabalatip kum ka Indian Registration Act hakaba larai ban thau ki committee man kmi biang ya kini ki kamtam lada don kam man wan kino ki jing ban kala haba keren begilat petai kebor hadin ke jenglang bu menteri badai pet ya katna DCA wadai ru sembut menteri rangba ba presiden song ulai tu syakilat petai kebor bak sorkar jela haki kendiat senam balalek kala depan penmi ya kejing penmana man penteri kam ya ka shna ïing da ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority bat ki ADC ki Autonomous District Council ki kwa penteri kam lang ya ka building bylaws habarok ki jaka ki bahap hapo ka kredit bahan riu klam da kain lagi de ki jaka sor ni jaka nong kandong ula benrabru da ka baong baki ADCs kin penteri kam ya ka building bylaws sabar na kita ki jaka ki bahap hapo ka municipal hanrei kato ka ni ki jaka kum ka industrial estate ki hotel bat ki jing tai ki bahe kindei ki bahap hapo ka jing kmi kemuda susu na kaliang ba proston ula ong balang ba ki jing ïakren lalap baki dangdon kato ka ni ki kam ki badon kam yak sorkar mat kmi biang ya ka building bylaws nakaliang sebut menteri rangba ula ong ru bahadin baki laya tai sani ba larai bantau ya ka committee kaban kli na secretary katnat urban affairs ban ïakren halor ka building bylaws ka badon menta ban page la kadang don kam ne em ban wan ra ki jingkala ya ka bat ka committee kan sapen mi ya ka jing pen mana ula ong ro baki khot jong ka committee kin long na baro lightly ki district council na lor ki officer katnat urban affairs ka revenue but kiwi kitnat ki badon mentalang
from the DCA the department and also from revenue department, from urban affairs department, where we discuss about two important issues. One issue is relating to the implementation of the building bylaws. I think way back in 2019 we have already notified that the authorized agencies to implement the building bylaws are two. One is MUDA and number two is District Council. District Council will implement the bylaws outside the municipal board, and then few areas where we have already indicated, like for MUDA, even the industrial estate or the hotels and then the big institutions, this has to be still done by the MUDA, but the rest outside the Shillong municipal area and then which is under the 6th schedule, the entire bylaws will be implemented by the District Council. Then, while discussing, we found out few more issues where we need to again revisit the bylaws, and revisiting bylaws means this council wanted to implement it to the entire state. As far as their jurisdiction is concerned, 6th schedule is concerned, they wanted to implement it irrespective of whether urban or rural. But I personally feel that idea is very good, where if building bylaws can be applicable to every building, every citizens in the state, nothing like it. Because the more we apply that, the more the safety will maintain for the entire state. Here in Meghalaya, especially here, the earthquake zone is very high, where we have to be careful and we have to be very sure that people are constructed their building safely. So this is the issue where ultimately we decided to have also a committee. I have decided to have a committee, something like a coordination committee or consultation committee, to be headed by the Secretary of Urban Affairs, to study, to revisit the bylaws that we have today, and also to see whether amendment of bylaws is required. That also we have entrusted to this committee, which is to be notified very soon. And the members of this committee will be from all the three district councils. They need to be part of this committee. Then the officers from urban affairs and then related department like revenue and other department will also be included as a member of this committee. That is the point number one.